How to fix GIF not working on Instagram Notes. Let's get started. So, first of all, you have to make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open up your app store and just like that in the search bar, you can simply search for Instagram. Once you search for it, just like that, you can simply tap onto it, and if there's any update button available, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Sometimes the GIF feature isn't available in all accounts yet. If you don't see the GIF option, it might not be rolled out to you yet. After that, you can simply hit back and then close your Instagram app completely and then reopen it again. This can fix small glitches. After that, if you're still having trouble finding GIF, you can simply try logging out of your account and then logging back in again. And also make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can even switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. If nothing works, you can simply long press on Instagram, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete app again. Once the app is deleted, you can open up your app store and just like that, install Instagram. And that's it. Those are the best way to fix if GIFs are not working on your Instagram notes. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.